Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, your trusted stop for premium car content that blends the past, present, and future of automotive excellence. Today we bring you a true icon reborn, the 2026 Jaguar E-Type Vintage Edition. It's more than just a car, it's a living legend, revived with modern engineering while preserving the soul of one of the most beautiful vehicles ever created. The Jaguar E-Type, originally launched in 1961, is widely regarded as one of the most iconic and elegant cars in automotive history. With its elongated hood, low stance, and seductive curves, it was a design so stunning that Enzo Ferrari famously called it the most beautiful car ever made. Now for 2026, Jaguar has brought it back as a limited production, vintage-inspired electric masterpiece, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. The 2026 E-Type Vintage stays true to the original silhouette, complete with wire spoke wheels, rounded headlights, and chrome details that transport you straight to the golden era of British motoring. But under the hood, things are all new. Instead of the classic inline-6 or V12 engine, this model is powered by an advanced electric motor pushing out around 300 horsepower. The electric platform allows for instant torque and smooth acceleration while maintaining the grace and poise the E-Type is known for, with a top speed of approximately 155 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 time of under 5 seconds. This car combines vintage charm with modern performance. The electric range clocks in at about 250 miles, making it ideal for weekend cruises or elegant daily driving. Jaguar has also integrated fast charging so you can get up to 80% battery in just about 30 minutes. Inside, the 2026 E-Type Vintage offers a blend of retro charm and modern technology. You'll find hand-stitched leather, analog-inspired dials, and wood accents, all tastefully blended with digital displays and modern connectivity like Bluetooth, navigation, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The ride is quiet, luxurious, and impressively agile thanks to adaptive suspension and precision steering. Jaguar didn't skip out on safety either. The car includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system to ensure a secure and confident drive. This isn't just a showpiece, it's a fully functional, everyday drivable, electric classic. The 2026 Jaguar E-Type Vintage is aimed at collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates timeless design paired with cutting-edge EV innovation. It's being offered in highly limited numbers, each hand-built and meticulously crafted to honor the original spirit while embracing future-forward sustainability. If you're a fan of heritage cars with a modern twist, this is one you don't want to miss. Be sure to hit like, drop a comment on your favorite classic car, and subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews for more automotive icons brought back to life. Until next time, stay ready and keep riding.